My name is Massimo Banzi from Telecom Italia. I've been working on autonomous network for several years and strongly supported the previous phases of this catalyst. Now I want to introduce our third phase, not as a concept, but as something you can see working in Copenhagen. 5 benefits, important ones, and high-value scenarios that really matter to the telecom industry. Let me walk you through them. First, there is the foundational problem. When AI agents talk to each other today, they use natural language. One agent asks a question, the other interprets it, maybe correctly, maybe not. They negotiate back and forth, sometimes they contradict each other. Well, in a general-purpose application, you can tolerate this, but in a live telecom network, handling faults, provisioning services, managing SLAs, well, you cannot. Natural language between agents is chatty, and that chattiness has a cost. Every unnecessary exchange is tokens, and tokens cost money at scale across a live network. And beyond cost, it's also unpredictable. That's not a theoretical concern. That is what you see when you put current agent-to-agent communication into a real operator environment. So, how do we solve it? Well, by introducing A2A-T. This is a telecom extension of Linux Foundation A2A open protocol that we extend by introducing task T that gives agent a structured way to delegate work with explicit inputs, outputs, and constraints. Event T that handles asynchronous network signals without polling loops. And negotiation T that lets agents resolve conflicts without a human in the middle. This is structured, low latency, auditable. And by extending A2A, we keep a de facto open, neutral agent-to-agent communication protocol for the whole industry. Then, we also need agents that operate across multiple operational layers and in multi-vendor environments. Today, getting agents from different vendors to work together requires a bespoke integration every time. We've built a shared agent registry with agent cards, clear skill, and onboarding trust. Any agent from any vendor can be discovered and coordinated without any integration tax. Then, we need that agent to speak telecom consistently and coherently. An agent is only as good as the context it receives. And our prompt registry gives every agent a structured, versioned, lifecycle managed prompts. So the right context is delivered every time across the whole fabric, open source alongside the runtime and registry. There is another aspect that is really important for operators. Agents must follow operators' processes, not their own. Your business process encodes years of institutional knowledge and governance decisions. We make these processes, either BIP or BPMN or whatsoever, agent-readable, via knowledge graph, and execute them as task T. Any agent that initiates a task follows the same canonical process, and governance stays with the operators, always. But autonomy must be proven. We must be able to regulate how agents operate and trust in what they do. So we are very careful to aspects such as trust and audit, onboarding governance, agent evaluation, explainability. These are not bolts-on in this architecture, they are fabric level. At the DTW, you will see autonomous decisions made within policy, with evidence chains and audit trails that everyone, a regulator or an enterprise customer, can actually read. So, in Copenhagen, we will prove all 5 of these benefits live across 3 real high-value scenarios with autonomous agent using A2A-T as protocol. There is a service fault management use case with multiple agents execute across domain autonomous fault resolution, spanning RAN and transport network domains. There is an enterprise compliance handling use case where an enterprise SLA breach triggers a fully autonomous complaint resolution flow across business and service layer, returning a structured outcome. And then the service fulfillment. An enterprise order triggers end-to-end autonomous service provisioning across access, transport, and service layers, relying on internal and external agents to compress fulfillment timeline and eliminate manual errors. In conclusion, in dealing with agent, what we need is agents that speak telecom and understand telecom, trusted autonomy for production, and our challenge, or our ambition if you want, is to show that better protocols mean better outcome, faster resolution, fewer human touches, services that self-heal. This delivers real business value for operators. Trusted autonomy cannot be claimed. It must be demonstrated. Come at our booth in Copenhagen and see. Thank you.